हे गाइस, आज मैं आपके लिए बहुत ही डिफरेंट टॉपिक लेके आया हूँ। इससे पहले कि मैं स्टार्ट करूँ, आई वांट टू रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल, मी एंड माय टीम हैज बीन वर्किंग वेरी हार्ड टू ग्रो दिस चैनल। इसलिए हम इतनी मेहनत करते हैं, ऐसा जोशफुल कंटेंट आपके लिए लेके आता हूँ फ्रॉम माय ओन एक्सपीरियंस। एंड आई वांट टू रिक्वेस्ट यू, जिसने ये चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करें, अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें। दे विल रियली फाइंड अ लॉट ऑफ वैल्यू इन दिस कंटेंट, इन दिस चैनल। मैं कोई भी फालतू की बातें नहीं करता हूँ, मैं हमेशा जमीन से जुड़ी हुई बातें, रियलिस्टिक बातें करता हूँ, ऐसी चीजें जिससे आप काफी कुछ सीख सकते हैं अपनी असल जिंदगी में। मैं कोई भी ऐसी बुकिश नॉलेज शेयर नहीं करता हूँ। आई ओनली शेयर व्हाट आई हैव डन इन माय लाइफ विद माय ओन एक्सपीरियंस। सो प्लीज लाइक, कमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब, शेयर विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली मेंबर्स। आज मैं आपसे बात करने वाला हूँ अपनी ही लाइफ के बारे में। बट डोंट वरी, आई वोंट बोर यू विद द स्टोरी ऑफ माय लाइफ, बट आई विल टेल यू few lessons of my life in simple words. I know it would be surprising for you to hear about me, especially when I never really introduced myself before. But today I want to share my story with you all, my journey to reaching where I have reached today and what this journey has really taught me. So let's start this. पहले मैं बहुत गरीब था, हमारे घर में खाने के लिए पैसे नहीं होते थे। I'm just kidding. My story isn't so typical. I just started working at a very young age. I got my first job in the government sector. It was a very good and very stable job, and many people would have felt contented with that. हाँ, ये जॉब जो थी मुझे काफी यंग एज में ही मिल गई थी। When I was around 22 years of age. That was 18 years back from now. So you can guess my age is around 40. And yes, this was a class 1 officer rank which I got so early in my life. In detail I will tell you when I reveal my face. While I got this job, there came a turning point in my life. After working for around 18 years, I left my government job last year. You might be thinking it was a big risk. Yes, it was. All the costly things in life come with a risk. So did it. I left because I had bigger dreams in my life. Regarding money, I had already earned enough to sustain my rest of life. I'm a very simple man. I don't spend much of amount, but I have passion. I have a lot of passion of teaching, learning and growing. I have also made some good investments in real estate, in shares, in mutual funds, etc., etc., etc. इसके बारे में फिर कभी बताऊंगा जब बात होगी पर्सनल फाइनेंसेस। Coming back to topic, I left my job early because I wanted to give back to the society, not just in a social work, but also in a psychological work. Because मैंने अपनी जॉब के दौरान ये देखा था, बहुत से लोग ऐसे थे जिनके अंदर टैलेंट तो था लेकिन हिम्मत नहीं, और टैलेंट नहीं भी था अगर तो टैलेंट एक्वायर किया जा सकता है by hard work. I realized it, but people used to give up very fast. They didn't have confidence on themselves. इसीलिए I wanted to become a source of motivation for people like me, people who feel stuck in their current situation and don't know how to move forward. People who think that their dreams are too big or too impossible. Trust me, I have done it all. I've been there. I know what that feels like. मुझे लोगों को मोटिवेट करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है। सिर्फ अच्छा नहीं लगता है, बहुत अच्छा लगता है, क्योंकि मैं देखता हूँ कि लोग बहुत जल्दी गिव अप कर देते हैं, मेहनत नहीं करना चाहते। मैं इस चैनल से उन सभी को यही बार बार याद दिलाना चाहता हूँ कि वो जानते हैं पर अपने आप को पहचानते नहीं। That they have the power to achieve anything. Coming to the topic about myself, why I don't reveal my identity. Many people ask me this. I know you might also be curious about it. That why I don't reveal my identity. Well, let me tell you, it's not because I am hiding something. I just believe in something bigger than myself. I believe that my work, my message and the way I communicate with you all is what matters. Not the person behind the screen, not my name. What matters is whether you are listening, whether you are learning from me, and whether you are taking action what I am trying to teach you. If you are able to learn that and understand that, I don't want my face or my background to overshadow the real purpose of this channel. My goal is simple, to help people just like you to break barriers and achieve what they never thought was possible. So I want to leave you with this. No matter what your current circumstances are, I want you to remember one thing. Your dreams are not impossible. It doesn't matter if you have faced failures after failure. You can still turn things around. You can still make it. But you have to believe in yourself. And if you need someone to remind you of that, I will always be here. Today, tomorrow and forever. Thank you for being a part of my journey. And remember, no matter where you come from, you can always go where you want to be. It's all about the mindset and the work you put in. So let's keep going and let's keep growing. In this video, if this video has helped you, if it has inspired you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like button. Share this message with others so that they can also grow with you all. Let's make a community of the growing people, because we are here to change lives, not just make noise. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care, stay grounded and keep working hard. And say with me, I will never give up. I will never give up. Thank you, दोस्तों.